In this video, I'm going to be sharing the reason why your Facebook 60,000 watch minutes is reducing, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys something. There's this man that chatted me up on WhatsApp, right? And the man was like, say my 60,000 watch minutes is reducing, and I don't think I can continue with this content creation stuff. That is not easy, right? So according to this man said, I followed your guidance on those I tick green, but I'm still having some disturbance on the side I circled red. I am having reduction. Then the man continued, the man said, even if I make new videos with the help and your teachings, I will get views. But the next day, it will still reduce. I am tired. I can't continue. After getting this message, I felt bad for him, so that's the reason why I decided to make this video, because I know there are a lot of people out there, right, that are actually facing the same issue. And the problem is that most of them actually thought maybe they are doing something wrong. That's the reason why these things are reducing. So if you are facing this same problem, I want you to know that you are not doing anything wrong. It's just normal thing that happens even on YouTube, right? When you look at these screenshots right here on the screen, you will see that Facebook wrote that what you need to complete is 60,000 watch minutes within the last 60 days, right? So let me say, for instance, that you started creating content today, right? When you post today's own, tomorrow's own, next tomorrow, which is day 3, it keeps increasing till even day 50, day 60, it keeps increasing. But once we enter day 61, all right, the only thing that will make your watch minutes either to remain the same way it is or increase or reduce, determined by the kind of video you will make on day 61. All right. If on day 61, the video you posted or your videos got a lower view, that means your 60,000 watch minutes is going to reduce, because Facebook is no longer going to be counting the day 1. They are going to count from day 2 to day 61, which is the equivalent of 60 days. All right. So if day 1 got a higher viewer than day 61, that means your 60,000 watch minute is going to reduce, because Facebook is no longer going to count day 1. See, the only way your watch minutes can actually still keep going on is only when the views you're getting is higher than the views you were getting before. If the views you were getting when you started is now higher than the views you are getting currently, you will see that it will start reducing. So you are not doing anything wrong. It's just a normal calculation. Facebook only count 60 days, right? So they are not counting from the day you started posting. They only count 60 days. And after that 60 days, every other one, they will not count it again. They will keep counting from 60, 60, 60, right? So that's the reason why you're facing this issue. So the only thing I would advise you, if you're among the people facing it, you just need to focus more on creating high quality content so that people will spend time to watch your video, in order for you to get more viewers than the views you are getting before. So there is nothing wrong with your page. There is nothing wrong with the content you're posting. The only thing is that the views you are getting now is not more big higher than the one you are getting before. So you need to focus more, create more content. Don't be depressed, right? Don't be discouraged. I understand that this content creation game is difficult, right? But do not give up. Just keep doing it. What I keep on telling you guys is that you keep on posting every day. One day that video that will blow you up will come. So it takes only one video for you to go viral, only one video. And when that video goes viral, you see that followers will come, everything will come. Watch minute is even the easiest thing to get on Facebook. I know a lot of people actually find it difficult to get this, but I believe that's the easiest thing to get. I first got 60,000 watch minutes before I was able to reach 1,000 followers. I just posted one of my video, and that video, boom, the video got like 200 or something thousand views, and I completed my watch minutes within 2 days. Right? It's possible. It's something that can happen to you as well. The only thing that you need to do is just to keep posting and don't give up. Stay consistent. One day that one video that will blow up will come, and your watch minute will complete, and followers will come as well, and you start getting views and start earning from your views. Right? So there is nothing wrong with your page. You did nothing wrong. is just normal. And for some people who actually want to complete their 60,000 watch minutes, maybe they've completed the 5,000 followers and they're following content monetization policy, and they can't just wait for this thing to complete. They just want to start making money from it. I can help you get your 60,000 watch minutes completed within 24 hours, right? So if you're interested, all you need to do is to chat me up with your WhatsApp number shown on the screen, and I'll tell you what to do, right? So thank you all for watching this video. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all, right? And if you're new in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.